In today's video, I'll show you how to create a fun opening where note-like elements pop onto the screen and stick in place to reveal your video. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best when used as an intro, so the popping motion feels playful. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Stick Up, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, sticky note style elements pop onto the screen, revealing the video underneath in a casual and engaging way. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the notes appear. Shorter duration makes the motion quick and playful. Longer duration slows it down, making the effect feel more relaxed. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the pop in motion feels natural. And that's it. You've successfully added a sticky notes style reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.